say you can get it wetter than an ocean. There's a lot of water, boy, I'll have you floating. So dive in and start backstroking. No worries, boo, I put this back into motion. You done good, but I can do better. You say her pussy wet, guarantee that my pussy's wetter. You say her pussy fat, guarantee that my pussy's fatter. Better yet, call that hoe over. We can show you both together. Matter of fact, bring out the camera, cause you gon' be my new daddy. Pull your dreads real tight while you get this pussy wetter. I'm clowning. Better. That wet. Better. Wet. I can get it wetter. Courtesy to that bitch talking shit, talking about her pussy where she must not know you done had this. Now sit her down and let's talk about this shit. No need to run my name, this case is solved and dismissed. Now I don't want your man, yeah, he called my phone. If you keep talking shit, your man is good as gone. And you can call me wrong, but I can take your throne. As wet as this shit get, your man ain't coming home. I'm not cocky, but y'all shit a little rocky. Get your pussy game up and your man won't have to watch me. Calm down, this shit done got you wound. Come tease me from this pussy and your ass gon' drown.